Uruguayan scientists study migratory birds. Capture day in Laguna de Castillos, Rocha. Intensity and direction of the wind have to be considered. Setting up the trap. Every detail is important. The Wilsternet is an ancestral method used originally in the Netherlands since the 17th century. The birds have to be attracted to the net. Buff-breasted sandpipers and golden plovers fly around among other species. Patience is the key. Once the bird is trapped, the scientists have to be quick. The birds are weighed, measured, and ringed. Wing samples are taken to study their diet, among other things. Buff-breasted sandpiper Calidres subruficalis. American golden plovera, Puvialis dominica. Both species are long-distance migrants and fly every year more than 16,000 miles. And of course, the birds are released unharmed